In this video, I will show you how you can copy and paste text messages on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Messages app on your Samsung phone, then select the message which you want to copy. For example, I will copy this text message. Now to copy the text message, just tap and hold on the text message which you want to copy, and after you select it, then just tap on the copy button over here, which looks like a rectangle. And after you do that, you will copy the text message. Now if you go to your home screen and open any text field, for example, I'll open this section. Now as you can see on the keyboard, it is showing me the text which we have copied. And if I tap on it, it will paste it right away on the text field. For example, if your keyboard is not showing you the text which you have copied, so in that case, just tap and hold on the cursor in the text field. After you do that, this menu will appear on the screen. From here, just select Paste. And after you do that, you will paste the recently copied text. Now, if you're using Samsung Messages instead of Google Messages on your Samsung phone, then in that case, just open Samsung Messages. And just set Samsung Messages as the default messaging app. After that, just select the message which you want to copy. For example, I will select this message. Now similarly, just tap and hold on the message which you want to copy. But this time from this menu, just select copy text. And after you do that, you will copy the selected text on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.